Got a Rubicon outside. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's out. Go get these MagnaFlows put on. What's up, guys? This your boy VP, and I'm back with another video, man. Today should be a nice day. Yeah, man. Today I'm going to go get the mufflers put on the car. I'm going to get my MagnaFlow exhaust put on here. Should be a lit little vlog, though. Go get my MagnaFlows put on. I might get my system put in, too. I don't know. Just stay tuned. You feel me? Might pull up on my man Infinite. Hey, I get the pipes and stuff done. Ooh, I hear somebody. Yeah, come on, man. I can't wait to get these joints on here, bro. I'm riding with a bunch of dudes that's just barking. And I'm just quiet. Hold on, let me get a cold start. This how I sound in the morning.
What?
Guys. Nothing. So I'm gonna go get these MagnaFlows put on. But yeah, stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna do first. I don't know if I'm gonna get the exhaust put on or get the system put on. I guess it just depends. Probably the exhaust. Get that out the way. And that's further. That's all we out Glen Burnie. So yeah, man, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm putting the MagnaFlows on the truck today. That joint sound good. I gotta wash this. This is dirty. Too bad. Just up under this tree a little bit. Wait till next season when you see what I do with Shorty. With this Fusion red, what's this color? I need to get that paint off of there. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Well, we popped up next. That's what we getting done first. I get her cleaned up a little bit. But yeah, guys, as you can see, we are MG Customs. We the first ones here. Literally parking lot empty for real. That's some other shit over there. Yeah, guys, we are MG Customs. That's where we at right now. That's where we at with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the system put in first. By me being the first one, it's first come, first serve, so I should be able to get me in, get it done. Man, that thing it's dirty, it still look good. Who does that? Oh, I do. They got some wheels in here, guys. Come get some wheels, man. Come get your wheels, come get your wheels. They do everything. Well, they do a little bit of everything. Audio, wheels, everything. So I was trying to get the system put in. All right, guys. So we about to get in there. About to get it in, man. All right, guys. We made it to Tony's just in time. Hopefully we get us done. We about to look at it and see. Big dog. Big dog. What else we got going on out here? When y'all come to Tony's, y'all gonna see my cut.
You also have some under scrub clothing that almost looks like workout stuff. You know, give me a sense of how you see yourself.
When you come to Tony's, this is what you're gonna see. My joint on the wall.
Would be, you know, some of those names out there.
Come on out here, get your exhaust done.
Or listen, I know there's Stitch Lab LA.
I ain't clean. I just gotta wipe her down a little bit. And yeah, yes sir. Where you going at? Are you going that way? Where you going? Are you going this way? My joint moving, looking good. Gosh. Oh, look, she's going in the air. About to get that noise on her, guys. Man. I'm tired of people out here hitting the pipes on me, blasting the system on me. I couldn't take it no more, guys. As you see, she's going up in the air. Yeah, search. Yeah, search. Yeah, look at that. She's going up in the air, guys. I can't wait to hear that first start. Got a Rubicon outside. That bitch icy. That's on ice. Yeah, big Rubicon. Big dumb wheels. Love them big wheels on there. It's joint nice. Bring one of these to the channel. I wonder what that'll do. big wheels. Nice. I like that one, guys. It's a little loud too. Yeah, man, we out here at Tony's. Yeah. Sounding good. Here we go, guys. First stop. First stop. Let's see how she sounds. Ooh.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yes, not too loud. Not loud at all. Dude, that's not loud at all. It sounds good though.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I like it. It could be a little louder, but I like it.
You need to drive it and maybe take
Yeah.
the resonator out and do a little bit louder.
Right, yeah. I want to drive it a little bit. Yeah, drive a little bit first to see how it goes.
Alright?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, so it ain't that loud, but I'm gonna drive it a little bit, see how she sounds when they open it up. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, so I got the mufflers done and I got the system done today, but I'm not 100% satisfied with neither one, honestly. I don't think my exhaust is loud enough. Well, it's not loud enough. for sure. It's definitely not loud enough. And my system, it don't sound good enough because I got it on the factory radio. So I'm gonna have to do something about that, bro. I'm gonna have to do something about that. The grill speakers sound good. They put speakers in the grill. I got 112 kicker, but this video about the mufflers. And I got 2 MagnaFlows put on here. I'm gonna let y'all hear it start up. I mean, y'all heard it start up. It's still too quiet for me. They got this thing restricted, bro. I'm gonna probably have to take the resonator off. I mean, they MagnaFlow. They good boys. So even when I was on the highway, it wasn't opening up that. Let me see. Yeah, that's not loud enough for me, bro. It sounds good though, but it's just not loud. Like right now, I want my shit to be a little more barkage right now. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I'm gonna ride a little while before I do anything else to it. Like I said, I don't want to be too loud and obnoxious. It's still a family car at the end of the day. If anything, I go done with the Lex, but man. And then the system, like, I know it can bang harder, but that factory radio, that ain't doing it for me. So I'm gonna have to end up switching that. Man, I should have just did all the crap at once, bro. But yeah, man, it's not bad. I'm gonna start it up for y'all, and I'm gonna start it up and give it a couple pulls and see what's going on. So that's how it sounds. It's really not bad. I don't know if I need to let it get broken in. but bruh, I need a little more noise. The dudes I ride with, they be making noise. I can't be at the red light putting it in neutral and hearing that's just not loud enough. So I need to see, like, something is restricting it. It's just not loud enough. So I think I'm gonna have to take the resonator off. I don't know. I'll figure it out though. You see this out here. Foreign's all in the family. It's dirty. I know he probably ain't gonna like this on camera. This thing a little dirty. Man, nice, that clean, man. What you talking about? Nice little. Hold up, let me see the badges. I don't want nobody being dumb. I ain't on that side, but yeah. Yeah, if y'all need a dog, man, a little puppy or something, hit my mans, man. He got official purebred, paperwork, all that good stuff. Pressers and American bullies. Pressers and American.
When I know what kind of gas I was using.
What you doing, Delroy?
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Huh?
I'm vlogging. You know I got YouTube.
They say,
You gonna be on my YouTube.
No, you
Yeah, look, Phyllis gonna be on YouTube. Kawan gonna be on YouTube.
that's like,
All right, guys, the next day, and I'm back at Tony's. I couldn't do it, man. It just wasn't loud enough for me, so now I'm just get him to, take the resonator off now. So. But yeah, now I'm back at Tony's, and I'm getting it right.
And we have Nora and Sarah's world here.
I got my kids out here with me, man.
Hey.
You wanted to come take a walk.
Juicy good.
But yeah, guys, I'm back at Tony's. I mean, it sounds good. The muffler's not bad. It's just not loud enough. And the dudes I ride with, they making noise. I need to make some noise. So, back out here at Tony's, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sound. This time,
Daddy,
once I get everything together.
can we do a snack mukbang tonight?
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm gonna let y'all hear the morning start. I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounded when he hooked that joint up for me. I ain't like it.
It's about to rain.
He seen the disappointment on my face, bro.
And the car's flying.
Alright, it's crazy,
like,
but
I don't know what.
then I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sound now when he finished. But
The
yeah,
car's
man, back at Tony's.
flying. I don't know.
Back at Tony's. Can you put the resonator in the trunk? Can you put the resonator in the trunk? Let me hear this cold start, man. I see how it sound now. Oh yeah, that sound much better. Much better. I ain't gonna get much noise out this bitch. I'm convinced. I'm convinced I ain't gonna get much noise, bro. I am not gonna get much noise.
Where you want it?
In the trunk. Woo, that sound much better. B-roll, my own video. Alright guys, this is the next morning. Ready to get this cold start for y'all. First cold start, I got the MagnaFlow Mufflers. And I got the resonator cut off too. Wanna see how it sound with this cold start, man. Let's see. Still got the factory tips. I ain't changed the tips. I am gonna change them though because I want to get them yellow. But let me give you a couple of rips. I don't want to make nobody mad. Then again, I don't really care. But y'all hear a couple pulls. So yeah, man, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Y'all think it sound good? Y'all think I should change something else? Shoot, just let me know. Yeah, man, it's been a long process. I went back 2 days in a row. Shoot. Like I said, I got the 2 MagnaFlow mufflers. And I went back, they took the resignator off. I went to Tony's Custom Exhaust. And yeah, man. I think it sounds good. It's cool for now. I'm gonna let it rock like this. If I don't like how it sound, I put the resonator back on. Yeah, I need to get this thing clean. As soon as it start raining, shoot, it's supposed to be a banger today. But yeah, man. I'm gonna close this video out. I did get the system done too, but I'm gonna address that in a different video. So I did get the system done. That's gonna be in a different video, but it sounds good, but it could sound better because I got the factory radio. But if anybody know about the factory radio, it don't get its full potential. It don't get its full potential. So it definitely banged though. I don't got no bull. I don't got no bull in here for real. So it definitely banged, but I'm gonna have to change the radio. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy VP. Till next time, go.